just can't tell you. Frances, your home, the most beautiful part of France, Burgundy, for you. This has been such a treat. Tell me the genesis of this. I mean, how did you, all the way from Holland, you know,
yes,
think about the French
Holland.
dream. You know,
Yes.
how did that happen?
Well, the French dream was never really a French dream to us because, you know, we grew up with France. We kind of take it for granted, you know? But we feel really lucky that we found this place because it's like, Burgundy is a very spiritual place. And if you want peace and quiet, I think that's the place to go to. And what's really nice is that you don't have the traffic jams. Well, we built this house 3 years ago. So this room didn't even exist. And I have to say that I think it's a success. We're really happy with it. It's a very nice, cozy niche.
It's so beautiful. And the idea of connecting people from around the world to properties in Burgundy, Burgundy for you. Now this is extraordinary, this property, and I know what you went through in terms of renovation to get it to be the beautiful home that it is. How do people find you? Is it on the internet?
Well, Nancy, you know how that goes.
I know how I found
you know, you sit in front of your computer and you can't sleep, and you just hit Burgundy, and all of a sudden, look where you are.
I know. And there's no going home, by the way, once you're here. So people connect, and then you sort of match people to homes,
yes,
and you
that's
create
what
an
happens.
opportunity for an itinerary.
And the fact is, we do reach the international market, so we get Australian people and Canadian people, American people, because they know that we speak our languages. So that has been a very big advantage.
That's a big advantage.
And they also know that we will do everything to help them, and that's what we do. You know,
from start to finish, which is
start to finish, even with buying a cell phone, even if they need to go to the dentist and they don't know how to, you know, how to speak to the dentist.
Right.
We even go with them and translate and help them all the way. That's what we promise, and that's what we do.
And then what happens, which is something that, you know, in my short stay here, I'm already beginning to feel like I could live in Burgundy. What if I wanted to buy a farm or something? Is that something that you and your husband could help me acquire?
Absolutely.
And you would be responsible for finding the property and assisting in
and
the
making
renovation.
sure that you get help, you know, in every way you want to, and make sure that everything goes in an honest way, because that's what a lot of people worry about when they come to France. They don't speak the language, and they feel a little bit lost.
Yeah.
And they need help with translating, and so we go to the solicitors with them, and we make sure that everything goes the way it should go.
Right.
And the fun part about Burgundy, it's an undiscovered kind of place, really, because most people just go to Saint-Tropez, Juan-les-Pins, Cannes and Nice.
Right.
But Burgundy is just, you know, a very nice place to relax.
Yeah.
And if you like Buddhism, I think it's the ideal retreat.
Right. And one of the treats that we had coming here and visiting you was that we went to an open market. And I know for Americans who are much more sensitive about foods they eat and that sort of thing, that going to visit a really, truly French open market, for me, was an incredible experience where we got to see the person who makes the fromage and meet the woman who's
and to know that you get it
bakery
straight from their farm onto your plate, kind of.
And when we're talking like quality food, we're talking about food that is freshly grown and plucked from the garden, and the taste of food here, as we discovered at that wonderful little restaurant, Bones. So raspberries taste like raspberries, and the cow that you see walking around maybe on your plate the next day. You know, it's all fresh, and that's very honest food, and that's very important. Very important. And what I love about Burgundy for you and meeting Benjamin and Frances and Felice is that they're so unique, having come from Holland, but on their property they happen to have llamas. And I can't imagine, you know, coming to France to see a llama.
Well, what can I say? We're a funny Dutch couple.
But anyway, what we want to do is take a look at this beautiful room. This is an example of Benjamin and Frances's work and the intricate style in which it's pulled together and the beautiful construction details, knowing that you started from scratch. And it was a shambles. Am I right?
It was a shambles, yes.
So the detail here is something. It's just so, so beautiful. So now, Jim, why don't we spend a minute with Benjamin now that we've done this? And, okay, we can stop and we'll start. And then